when I was just a little girl.
Today we are doing the musical pans update. This is a Pantastic Ladies collab. It is going from January 16th to December 16th, and the creator was Jennifer. And it is a rolling project pan, so when something rolls out, you roll something in. I chose as my first musical Heathers. That may be the only thing I do through the whole year. I love Heathers! Anyways, okay, first of all, we're going to start out with Heather Chandler, who always wore red. I put in the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. There was 3 of them in here. I absolutely loved these. They were so great. They come in, there was a 3-pack in here. So it comes with a 2-step. You put the first step on, you leave it on for a while, and then you do the second step. Really easy, really nice. I didn't use them every day. This is something you can use every day, but I probably used one like every 3rd day. I have very sensitive skin, so it's sensitive in certain ways, not in other ways. Anyways, I finished it. I love these. They were great. I would definitely use them again. So, to replace the red product for Heather Chandler, we have Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior. It's a 2-in-1 plumping serum and moisturizer. It's a little pack. If you look at it, it looks like it's full up to about here. It's just a little tube. I wasn't going to weigh this, but then I thought, well, maybe I should. It's 11 grams, so we'll see how far that goes. I don't know if you can hear that, but there is a terrible storm going on right now. There was thunder and lightning earlier, then the sun came out, but now it's storming so bad. Anyways, okay, Heather McNamara, who always wore yellow. I have the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen with an SPF of 40. It's just a little tube. This is an example of the sample made me buy it. I tried this. I went out and bought a full size. I haven't quite finished this one yet, though, because I kind of been going back and forth. I need to focus on one sunscreen at a time. This was 12 grams. It's currently 10 grams. Next was Heather Duke, who always wore green. And that one I am using the Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. It's just this little one, but it has quite a bit in there for being so small. It's about halfway done. Last time it was 44 grams. It's now 28 grams. So, like I said, it's about halfway done now, but I like this. I like this product a lot. And lastly, for Veronica, who always wore blue, we have the Rimmel Match Perfect Pore Blurring Effect, whatever. It's a foundation. And if you look in here, it looks like it's about up to here. But really, it's a big dip. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get any more out of this. I take it out of there and I put it in here. And I just refilled it. So, you know, there are gaps in there and stuff because it hasn't air pumped all the way back up yet. Because I just took the last of this and put it in there. I know. Anyways, I haven't been tanning because I had surgery. And so this is really super dark for me right now. In fact, everything's really super dark for me right now. But I am working on it. I should be done with it soon. That was 169 grams. It's now 162 grams. That's because I measure, when I weigh them, I weigh the 2 bottles, these 2 bottles together to get the weight. So that's why it's so high. See, if you look through that, there is barely anything in there. Anyways, so that's everything. I should be going through these products pretty soon. I mean, hopefully. So, shouldn't take much longer. So, anyways, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!